Hi, I'm Jake. I am standing for the Welsh Youth Parliament. The Welsh Youth Parliament is a group of young people between the ages of 11 to 18 who meet up in the Senedd to discuss nationwide issues that the youth have to deal with daily. I will champion new ways to create a greener and eco-friendly environment, fix the damage that has been caused by things like fossil fuels, climate change, global warming, plastic pollution, finding new ways to create energy like wind turbines, hydropower, finding better solutions instead of using plastics. It's our future that depends on the environment keeping stable and thriving still. From personal experience, I know that not everybody is being accepted for who they are and who they want to be. Some children don't feel like they are able to express themselves, and if that's you, I want you to know that there are many people that you can go to and talk to about these feelings. You don't have to lock them all away in a box just because somebody down the road said that you should. You don't have to listen to anyone who's giving you negative feedback about how you dress, how you do your hair, anything like that. If you ever need to talk to anybody about how you feel, there are people out there. I want to make sure that all young people know that. We aren't really taught what's happening today. How are we meant to change our future if we don't actually know what's happening in the present? I would want PPE to be taught. It's philosophy, politics and ethics. So we get taught about what's happening in the here and now. I want young people to be aware of what's going on around them so that they can have more creative and critical thinking, and we can have an influence on what's going to happen in the future. So if you live in the Vale of Clwyd, then I will be representing you in the Youth Parliament if I get elected. Voting is now open and you can register to vote at the Welsh Youth Parliament's website. Voting is open till the 22nd of November, so vote now. Hopefully you will see me on screen at the Senedd. Bye!